What you doing, man?
Yeah. You will never see me acting reckless. Pockets never empty, got my checklist. Fucking on your friend might be your bestest. That's how I work, boy, I ain't never got no template.
What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. So right now it's 7 in the morning. We're heading to JBA Performance. I think it's really going to be a cool, informative vlog for you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to say that now so I don't say it later because I always forget. Also too, don't forget, check out shopeljefe.co. It's always in the description if you ever want to buy any El Jefe merch. Let's get over there. I got like a 40-mile drive and I'm super tired, so I'll probably stop at Starbucks. I don't even like coffee that much, but I've been drinking a lot more lately, I've been noticing. And you guys had a great idea with the giveaway of the pillar, and by the time I read you guys' comments, someone already hit me up and said they wanted the pillar, so I have to stick to my word, so I'm shipping it out today. I'm so sorry, but anytime I take something out my car that I'm not gonna need, I'm definitely gonna do a giveaway, sign it and give it away, because I see that you guys think that's gonna be the best thing to do, and I think it's pretty dope of you guys that actually want a part of the car, so that's what I'm gonna do from now on. Good old traffic. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to JBA and I still got no coffee in me, so I'm super tired. Right here is what we got. We got this 2018, right, Mustang? 2018 Mustang. JBA just did a full custom exhaust on it. We're gonna go more into detail. But you see right here, you know what, before I show you this, let me come over here and show you the stock 2018 Mustang exhaust, show you what it looked like before they did a custom fab on this. So right there is a stock 2018 Mustang, so any Mustang owners out there, that's basically what you got under your car right now, unless obviously you guys modified it. So now let's go and show you the new exhaust by JBA. So obviously they replicated the quad tips, which look nice, and I believe instead of being a 2.5 inch, which comes factory, we have 3 inch. Obviously everything's bolt in, just kind of like how my setup is going right now. And then here's all factory, which makes this car pretty cool, is that right there you can see the shorties. Now the shorty headers are usually carb legal, especially in California. They're really strict on stuff, so what happens is the shorty headers allow all this to stay in, which makes carb legal this big heavy thing that I no longer have in my car. So let's find out a little bit more about this build, what they're doing, the R&D process, and then I want to get some like shots of it. I got the big camera with me, but right now I'm using the G7X. All right, so here's the man that made it happen right here. So shout out to you. So tell me a little bit about what you guys do here.
Yeah, so I mean, we're here at JBA Performance Exhaust, and we go ahead and do exhaust components. And you can see we do a lot of shorty headers, long tube headers, X pipes, H pipes, catback systems. I mean, you name it, the entire exhaust. So what we wanted to do is, you know, test fit our shorty headers to make sure that we're still going to fit the 18, which they do. So these headers will actually fit the 15, 16, 17, and 18. And then we actually had to R&D a new catback system because the exhaust comes with quad tips, and we didn't have quad tips. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. LF is gonna do some sound clips, and yeah, hopefully it turns out sweet.
Yeah, hang out for a little bit.
Yeah,
so question, do you guys make anything? So right now, might as well do shameless plug. What other parts do you make? Do you make stuff for Camaros, Mustangs, Challengers?
Yeah, we do everything domestic. So
okay.
Camaros, Mustangs, Chargers, Mopar, Jeeps, trucks. We're not into the import scene, so it's mainly, you know, domestic American-made things. Oh, YouTube fans, but I love you because they got a lot of American muscle heads. Yeah, the cool thing about JBA is that we don't import anything. Everything's manufactured by us. It's produced by us. We have a facility down in TJ where we're constantly there every single week, and that's where we do all of our, you know, we bend our tubes, we weld, we do everything there. So
nice. That's where my Camaro was made in Mexico.
Yeah,
cool.
Exactly.
So the 2018 comes with a 10. Well, obviously I could show you, but can't see anything in there. Yeah. But a 10-speed automatic. That's well, you know, my Jeep is an 8-speed.
Oh really?
I think that's the stupidest thing in the world to have like a Jeep 8-speed. It's like it's a latitude. I'm like a Jeep Wrangler, but yeah, 10-speed auto. I mean, that'd probably be great for like drag strip.
No, yeah. I mean, our R&D guy Brian, who actually worked on it, he was mentioning that when he was driving it, the exhaust sounded like really loud because they shift gear so quickly. So
yeah, a lot of backfire, a lot of pop. And obviously we already know the LS3s have a lot of pop, so now the Mustangs actually join in on that. This is pretty cool. I want to talk to the man behind this, as in the one who designed it. Maybe go through, like, you know, how long it takes to design something like this. What do you have to think of? Obviously, being carb legal is a lot harder than just making a set of headers that are going to make you go fast. There's a lot of, like, I guess you would say math behind it, or I don't really know, so I'm gonna ask the guy right now.
Yeah, I know. To make a header carb legal, you have to retain the same position for the catalytic converter. You cannot move the displacement. You can increase tube diameter, you can increase tube design, but you cannot move those catalytic converters. So that's something we have a very hard time doing when trying to make power with the shorty header.
And I know too, the Camaro has a lot more room for headers, because for this it looks like you had to move the motor a little bit, or did you not have to move the motor? Because for my headers, you don't have to move the motor at all. They slid right in.
Right. Yeah, I mean, we can let Brian talk about that, yeah. But I know he did have to remove the motor mounts and kind of like push the engine. Because
there's not a lot of room in the Mustang, that's why. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, there's a lot of work goes behind it, so let's talk to Brian, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Let's talk to Brian and see all the stuff he had to go through without giving away a secret.
I'm Brian, lead fabricator here at JBA Headers, so for the R&D department.
So how much work goes into creating a carb legal header?
These ones, because they're so similar to our previous models, was pretty easy. But just getting them passed through emissions and through California bar takes a lot of time, a lot of paperwork.
You guys, these are actually the stock headers right here. We already know how stock headers look, because I think I showed you guys mine, but that's irrelevant because no one has stock headers anymore.
There's a couple things that we try to achieve, obviously. For the cat forward headers, we're limited. We can't move the cats, so space and distance between the head and the cat is important. But we engineer with performance in mind, so we try to keep runner links as close as we can and do what we can to make as much horsepower and the constraints that we're in.
So everyone's big question is numbers compared to long tube and shorties and long tube.
Yeah. No, I mean, here's the thing with horsepower numbers that I stress about a lot. I mean, it obviously depends on the supporting modifications you have done in the car.
Yeah.
I mean, if you have, let's say, a supercharger, right, or a turbo kit on this car, what's great about our headers is that they're ceramic coated. So they are stainless steel, but they have a ceramic coating, which keeps a lot of the engine's heat temperature down. So when you have, like, let's say, force induction, you have a lot of hot air there. So colder air means more power. So I mean, obviously it's going to depend. On a stock car like this, I mean, you're probably looking anywhere between 10 to 15 horsepower with our shorty headers, maybe a bit more because you no longer have any of the restrictive, parts from forward. With the long tube header, that's where you tend to see a lot of gains, anywhere between 25 to 30, perhaps. Again, depending on the condition of the engine,
the dyno, weather, everything
matters on that side. So we really don't like to say a number because we don't want to, be like, oh, hey, we said this number.
Yeah.
But, it's all going to depend. Yeah, anywhere between 10 to 15 horsepower with the setup on this Mustang right now.
I'm sure a lot of you guys already know when it comes to me numbers. Everyone wants to know my number, like what I'm going to hit. I always say anywhere between 515 to 530 to the wheel, what my car is expected. But that could be different on every single dyno. If it's a cold day, I could be having great numbers. If it's a hot day, I could have bad numbers. If a dyno is a Mustang dyno or a dyno jet, whatever it might be, I said dyno jet, holy crap. You guys know what I mean. Numbers are always going to be different, but I mean, obviously the more you have done to your car, the more power you're going to get. I mean, I'm not sure if you guys have been noticed, but having a stock car and just putting headers and exhaust and changing out the clutch can gain you a lot of horsepower. Your clutch can usually gain you 10 horsepower to the wheel. So I mean, number game is big, like I guess more like a bragging right thing, but the number could be completely off. The dyno could just be happy dyno, or you could have too low numbers, you could be on a sad dyno. I mean, it really just all depends. I think it's really cool to watch the craftsmanship that they put into this, and actually check it out, and look how clean this thing is. I wish my car looked like this. Under my car, it looks like I've had it for 50 years. No, my car doesn't look that bad, but anyways, it's cool to check it out. So right now I'm gonna have him pull off the lift. I want to get some sound clips, and I got the big camera, so I'll do a little, cool little video, and then I'm gonna head over to Premium Auto Styling because I need to get to work. All right, guys. So right now they're about to bring the Mustang down, and I want to get some sound clips and stuff like that. But check out these things right here. What are these for? That thing.
Just gonna get promotion.
Are those just like a blown up shorty header?
Yeah. No,
I thought that was for a car.
It's like an actual, it's like metal header. So.
But is it for something or?
No, it's not for nothing.
That thing is humongous. Like, what the heck do you put that thing? Oh wow, that thing sounds really good.
In my regrets, I've become a little stronger now.
gotta check that out. Those are just a couple sound clips. This thing actually really does sound really good. You killed it with the shorties and the full exhaust. I really like it. Looks nice, simple, and it sounds pretty mean. So I'm assuming that whoever owns this car is gonna be pretty happy. I'm pretty sure it sounds nothing like how when you brought it in, right? But I heard these things brand new, they sound quiet. Any car sounds quiet. Yeah. So yeah, it's good. You guys killed it. But right now we're gonna check around the factory, see what they have here. This is a big old factory. I wanna check it out. Look at this, guys. This is like car parts on top of car parts on top of car parts. Right.
All ready to go. So this is where it actually just from when you guys place an order. Headers. These are gonna be like full Kappa hacks.
Yeah, I've seen that. That's when like my headers came in right here. Yeah. This is dope. A couple of you guys made comments about when I bought my spark plug wires. I got generic ones because that's what I needed to get right away. They really do make some, so I'm gonna go check them out right now. Because he's walking with the goodies.
Yeah, man. So like, this is gonna be some more plug wires that we offer from JBA. Thermal protection. I mean, way better than stock plug wires. For
yeah, sure. Yeah. I got some like ones like generic brand.
Yeah, of course. These are going to be like a 5.8, 5.3.
All right.
So yeah, I mean, these are, you can check them out, feel the quality and stuff in them. They are going to be a little bit more of like a rubberized material. Yeah. So.
And they're well, really don't need to be. See, well, these ones they don't need to be heat protected because I'm not running turbo anymore. But I mean, yeah, I think I'm about to go. I'm about to put an order in these bad boys because, and plus I like them because they're red. I'm not gonna lie, like they're better than the ones I have now, but they're also red, so it's cool. Good old vending machine. Alright, so he just came back with some good news. Actually gonna ship me the JBA sparkle wires. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate the support on that one. That's dope. So I'll be installing that. Obviously it's gonna be a quick little install video. It takes minutes, especially with like an NA motor where it's nothing surrounding it. Just easy, unplug, plug in, we're good to go. But thank you. Appreciate that. You didn't have to do that. But it's always good. It's always appreciated because saving money, I definitely like. But so it's great hanging out with you guys. Thank you so much, man. You guys are awesome. Great learning about all this stuff. And anytime you get when you get that demon, I'm expecting a phone call.
No, we're gonna get tons of, you know, really sick cars, so we'll be definitely contacting you.
All right, cool, brother, man. All right, guys, so I am out of here right now. I got to get over to work. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm super tired. I still need coffee. But when that demon comes, I 100% will be here because I haven't seen a demon in person yet. I think it's so dope that companies will hit me up to check out the car and not so much review it, but check out new products they have for like 2018 line coming up. And the fact that I have a chance to get to film the demon is gonna be pretty dope. I hope you guys are excited. Smash that thumbs up button. I wish I could take the JBA's home today right now, install them, kind of complete this whole vlog, but can't really do that. They'll ship it to me, obviously, because it's business, all business. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys had a great time. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.